1964 Jaguar XKE We are proud to offer this immaculate 3.8 Series 1E type. It has recently been subjected to a complete restoration that left no part untouched and no fastener unturned. The utmost care was put into ensuring that the vehicle looks and performs better than new. The paint finish and panel fitment is exact and the Suffolk Turley interior is exquisite. The suspension and driveline perform flawlessly. Sporting a complete toolkit and original owner's manual, this car is ready to show. This car has come to us from Indiana, where at some point, the engine was treated to upgrades from the legendary Gran Turismo Jaguar dealership. Upon disassembly of the motor, it was discovered that the intakes and cylinder head have been ported and the camshafts are custom ground. It also revealed high-compression Venolia pistons, a GTJ high-flow oil pump, a thicker vibration dampener, and a GTJ aluminum flywheel. Behind the flywheel is a fully synchronized 4-speed transmission. All of these period upgrades from such a well-renowned shop make this car truly unique. An aluminum radiator and thermostatic activated electric fan have been added to ensure the engine remains at a comfortable temperature whether cruising or in traffic. The distributor is electronic to provide reliability along with the in-tank fuel pump. The original generator has been removed in favor of a Lucas alternator. The suspension has all been rebuilt with new bushings, bearings and seals. The control arms, brackets and fasteners have all been replated using the correct clear cadmium or black oxide finish for an authentic appearance. The brakes have been upgraded to the later 4.2 style for improved performance using stainless steel brakes lines. The center-laced spoke wheels give the car a much improved stance. The interior has been professionally recovered in using the finest materials from Suffolk Turley. From the original steering wheel to the correct barrel-shaped seats and aluminum dot trim, this cabin a work of art. The floor pans and bulkhead were covered with modern sound deadener to give this car the feel and quality it deserves. The body has been gapped and massaged to better the new fitment. The basecoat/clear coat finish shines deep and rich. The original corner lights and trim were re-chromed to ensure an exacting fit. The bumpers have been upgraded with stainless steel copies, meaning there will never be a problem with bubbling or pitting. The underbody and wheel wells have been covered in stone guard so that the car may be enjoyed without fear of rock chips.